Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we have got a pretty strong breakout. We've got new all-time highs and a really strong run yesterday. There were a few opportunities to get in. They were, in my opinion, at the time 50-50, so I didn't really put them out on the Telegram channel, but they definitely were there. And I suppose the trade from Thursday, well, not Thursday, trade from Wednesday would have actually played out to the upside. Some really good upside targets that we nearly got to. But anyway, that's the way the cookie crumbles. If you look at the 3 hour, you can see too much indecision here to actually be that confident that it was moving the upside. Hindsight's always a perfect science. So when you take out, when you bring these two green bars into it, you look and you think, wow, that was stupid, I should have been in on it. But hide those two green bars there, and you look at that structure there, you're like, no, I think I'll just wait for something. And it could have gone either way, to be honest. So anyway, if we look at the hour, just another thing, most of the morning was just absolutely no direction. Pin bars at the top, pin bars to the bottom, no structure. We had a trade here on Wednesday, so up and then profit up here and then trailed out in this mess here. But if we were still in that trade, look at what we would have had. So at the moment, the jobs number came out. It was pretty good. It's below 500,000 for the first time in a long time. And today is non-farm payrolls. So I suspect something, this can't all be driven by the jobs number. That's a weekly number that comes out. I think there's a couple of people that are anticipating a much better non-farm payrolls number. So that's what I'm anticipating here. So for me at the moment, I think the opportunity resides in buying, but obviously not at this little double top that's formed at the moment on the hour, together with my oscillators all grouped to the upside. So I think pullbacks are to be bought right now, and obviously this 34,300, which was previous, not quite. Just get that down. There it is there. So this area here, 34,271, and then we'll take that, and then just give me a sec, guys. Just want to get rid of some of this. Just tidy this up. Okay, so any pullback into this area here of 34,342 is an opportunity to buy for me. So basically, even if we pull back into this consolidation of yesterday, it's an opportunity to buy. So that's what I'm looking for. There are some smaller levels available as well. So there's the first one, and that was the first measured move at 34464. Basically, it was this consolidation range, and that was a measured move of the range, and then pull back to test the range, textbook stuff right onto the top of the range there, and then accelerate away from it again. So I think you could argue that this has been tested already, 34,342 on the hour, but it wouldn't have been tested on the higher time frames. So that's the first step. Second thing is this area here, 34,460, is another area to be watching. I would expect this to be going sideways, pretty much horizontal in this 34,500 area until non-farm payrolls, and then we can have a look at what's going on. Typically what happens then is your oscillators tend to just drop off before non-farm payrolls all the way down, or at least to the middle, before anything starts happening. So kind of no man's land for me at the moment. So I need to see a pullback before we start looking into this, and even going down to the 15-minute. What we could do is look at that area there as our consolidation, and then you're looking for an opportunity to buy into this. There are a little gap down here, and there's actually a little gap all the way down here as well. So yeah, I think just be cautious. I think for me, wait for non-farm payrolls, wait for that first 15 minutes after non-farm payrolls. Dust should settle by then, get some kind of direction going into the open, and then look for opportunities to buy off the pullback. So there's no other reason to be going short. There's only opportunities to the upside, and you want to be buying off the pullback. So all pullbacks are to be bought as far as I'm concerned. And this is the first one, 34460. And if it doesn't find support there, then definitely 34342 and 34271 with a stop below the consolidation of yesterday. Okay, that's kind of me for now. Sit on hands until non-farm payrolls. I think the DAX may just offer something this morning, so just pay attention to the DAX. It's poised for a pretty decent breakout there as well. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.